What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are changing oil in the Kubota, so I'm going to take y'all along for the ride and show y'all how we do it. All right, we lifted the front end loader so we could get the hood up, and right here's your oil filter, so we're going to have to change that out, and at the bottom your oil pan, like the plug. So then we can pour all the old oil out into that bucket so we can put some new fresh oil in.
Yeah.
All right, so we're taking the oil out, or like draining the oil out the pan into the bucket, and as you can see, it's all pouring right out the bottom.
Yes, sir. Where you going?
All right, we just took the guard off, so now I have the oil filter wrench. We're gonna take the oil filter off. Move this bucket. All right, we got all the oil out the pan, and then the filter right here. It's all in that bucket down there. So this is your air filter right here. Anytime you have your hood up, you just come right here and hit and just kind of squeeze it, but you can see all the dirt and stuff that's in there, all that sediment. So we're just gonna go ahead and take that filter off completely and blow it out. All right, we're just pulling the primary air filter out right now because we don't have a new one. So we're just gonna pull it off and bring it to the air compressor and blow it out real quick. All right, so this is where you put your oil in. I'm just oh shoot, I just accidentally dropped it. You just unscrew the cap right there. Push this little hose out. Drop the funnel right in there. All right, so we're gonna just add about a quart of oil into it to try to raise the level a little bit more. All right, we just put oil into the tractor, so we put a conservative amount, so we're just gonna start the tractor and let the oil run through the tractor after it starts for a while, and then let it circulate to the oil filter, and then we're gonna check the dipstick to make sure that we have the correct amount of oil. dipstick right here. Wipe it off. Now we're gonna check it, the level on it. So you can see we're in between the two lines right here, but we probably could put a little bit more if we wanted to. All right, so the oil's completed and it's ready to go. My cousin was here to help. Well, he came and got the tractor, but we just, me and him just changed the oil before he took it to the, wherever he got to go. I think he's gonna move a tree for his neighbor or something. But anyway, that's pretty much it. I know it wasn't the most exciting video in the world, but I'm filming another video later, and I didn't want to like combine both of them because they're both pretty different. So I decided just to make like a little tutorial. Hopefully y'all learned something about, how to change the oil on the tractor if you haven't before, or anything like that, how to change on that specific Kubota tractor or anything like that. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. The support lately has just been tremendous. Can't believe how far we've gotten. As of right now, I'm at 1.5K, so that's just subscribers, so that's just crazy. Anyway, y'all stay tuned and God bless.